In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and support.squarespace.com. We're going to move step by step through Squarespace's site and land on the exact help article you need to begin selling online. This walkthrough is simple, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for. Start by opening your browser and heading to Squarespace's Create Your Website page. This is the main starting point where Squarespace highlights templates, features, and tools for building your site. You don't need an account for this walkthrough. We're just using this page as a clean launchpad into their support resources. At the top of the page, look for the main navigation bar. Find the option labeled Resources. On a desktop, it will be in the top navigation. On a smaller screen, it may be tucked into a menu icon. If you don't see it right away, open the Site menu and scroll a little. Click Resources to open the menu. From the Resources menu, choose Help Center. This takes you to support.squarespace.com, which is Squarespace's official knowledge base. It's where you'll find tutorials, best practices, and troubleshooting written by the Squarespace team. The layout is search first, so you can quickly jump to what you need. Once the Help Center loads, look near the top of the page for the search bar. Click into it and type, "Getting started with Squarespace Commerce." Use that exact phrase to surface the most relevant result. Press Enter to search. If you don't see the right result immediately, make sure you're viewing the site in your preferred language and clear any filters that might be applied. You can also retype the phrase without punctuation. Search is flexible. In the results, locate the article titled, "Getting Started with Squarespace Commerce" and click it. This article is the official starting guide for selling products and services on Squarespace. Inside, you'll find an overview of how commerce works, plan and feature considerations, how checkout and payments are handled, and links to deeper guides on products, shipping, taxes, and more. Think of it as your roadmap. It explains what to set up first, what decisions to make early, and where to go next as your store grows. As you read, take note of the related links throughout the article. They point to detailed instructions for specific tasks, so you can move from a big-picture understanding to precise how-tos with just a click. And that's it. You've gone from the Squarespace homepage to the Help Center and opened the Getting Started with Squarespace Commerce Guide, the best place to begin building your online store with confidence.